This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Screen Studio. So I am actually using Screen Studio to record this video. It's kind of meta. So I've used Screen Studio for many years. It's a great app. So you can find it at Screen Studio, screen.studio /download, kind of a weird URL. I'll put that URL as a link in a video description, so you can just click on that link and you can wind up here. I'm not an affiliate or anything, but it just saves you trying to find the download location here. So it will identify your operating system. It knows that I have Apple Silicon. There are other options. If we click here, we have it for the Intel chips and for Apple Silicon, which is what I have. So they recommend Mac OS Ventura 13.1 or higher is recommended. We will click here for download for Apple Silicon, and just like that, the icon goes flying up in the right hand corner, the top right hand corner, which is the universal symbol for something is downloaded on a Mac. So depending on your download location, I'm right here on Google Chrome on my Mac. So my downloads go directly to the main downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different depending on your browser setup and configuration, but you'll find the installer there. That's the easy bit. You just obviously install from the installer. But hopefully you found this video on how to download, how to find and download Screen Studio useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.